Today we'll be making homemade granola bars. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. In a large bowl, add in coconut oil, honey, then add in 1 egg and mix to combine. Now we can add in our dry ingredients. First, we'll add in flour and mix to combine. Then add in oats, sugar, shredded coconut, raisins, sunflower seeds, and baking soda. Mix again to combine. Once fully mixed and combined, we'll move this over into our baking tray. Make sure to press down so that your granola bars are flat and firm. Once your granola is ready, then we can bake at 375 for 15 to 20 minutes. Once out of the oven and still warm, slice your granola into bars. Then let it cool completely. Once cooled, your granola bars are ready to be served. Enjoy!